box break. Prizm Baseball. Drew for your guys' teams on random.org. There are no trades in the chats. Trade period is closed. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Good luck, y'all. By the way, appreciate you guys all for grabbing spots in this break. Thank you guys all. Appreciate it. If you guys are interested in any other breaks, we got some Leaf Trinity football. That break is actually almost sold out. We also got some Bowman baseball, Bowman Jumbo baseball. It's actually on the table, ready to go if you guys are interested. Link for Bowman Jumbo. I'll go ahead and drop it actually in a minute here. But if you guys are interested, that break is super, super heavily discounted, you guys. Bowman Jumbo baseball. 24 total autos in that break. 24 total. We have hit some crazy stuff out of Bowman, you guys. Go grab your spots. Those teams are super cheap compared to what they were listed for originally. Go grab your spots, you guys. We are making no money on that break. Go grab your spots. Teams are super cheap. Some of these packs do not stack very well, man. I just got to say so, but still Prizm, so gotta love it, man. I really want to get a Color Blast. Haven't seen a Color Blast quite yet. Color Blast or a Manga. Seen a couple Mangas, though, for sure. I think I got like 3 or 4 of them, actually. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's get it. All right, there's a Gavin Cross. Bill Terry. Cooper. There's a silver Elijah Green for Washington. Red Addison Barger for Toronto. That's numbered to 199. There's another one for Washington. That's a Prizm. That's non-numbered. Masataka Yoshida. Jacob Berry. Bobby Dorr. Auto. Kyle Harrison for the Giants. Cracked ice. These are super sick. Cracked ice, Kyle Harrison, right off the top for the Giants. Congratulations. That's going to Dustin. There we go, Dustin. First hit of the break. Talk about something nice. One of the best lefty prospects the Giants got. First auto of the break. George Brett. Mason Orr. Orange Wave. There we go. That's a Peyton Pallette for Chicago White Sox. That's numbered to 50. Cracked ice, Tony Olivia. That's non-numbered again. Eddie Murray. Vince Coleman. There's a Mike Piazza silver. Red, another one for the White Sox. Paul Konerko. That's numbered to... That's a red wave, actually. Red waves are non-numbered. There's an Ellie for Cincinnati, though. And a Owen White. Woohoo! Ellie, Quinn Priester, Jim Palmer, Mojo Prizm, Brian Ramos. Dang, White Sox killing it right now to 25. Brian Ramos for Chicago. There's a Pulsar Raphael for Baltimore, Damon. Jackson Merrill, Drew Gilbert, Luke Gold. Angel Martinez for Cleveland. Sick looking auto as well. Congratulations, Guardian Spot. Who's got him in this break? T-Rod, congratulations. All right, guys, I was closing out that first half, by the way. Good luck second half, everybody. Pitcher cards, man, are the most underrated cards in the hobby, just in general, to be honest. QB cards can't be that expensive, and pitchers aren't. All right, Bobby Miller for the Dodgers. Bobby. Dustin, another one. Randy Johnson. There's a red Sam Crawford from Detroit. Those are numbered to 199. There's a Pulsar from Detroit. Another prismatic for the Reds. Dylan Lesko. Eddie Matthews. Red Wave. Sal Frelick for Milwaukee. Tom Seaver, second to none. Another crack. Or he's a purple Milwaukee Robin Yountz. That's numbered to 99. And a Jace Jung cracked ice right behind it. Jace Jung cracked ice. Always nice. Love to see it. Shout out C-Rad. There's a Buster Posey for SF again. Elijah Green. Bobby Witt. Silver John Schmaltz for Atlanta. There's a purple Pat Gillick for Toronto. That's numbered to 99 again. Curtis Mead and a Mike Piazza. All right, guys. I was closing that box out. Good luck. Good luck, Smitty. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. That first box, nothing crazy. Let's try and turn up the heat here. Second box. Let's get it. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. There's a green scope Mike Mussina for Baltimore. Those are numbered to 75. Dylan, let's go. Silver Pete Rose for Cincinnati, second to none. Jackson Churio, Hack Wilson. Here we go. Orange Wave, Francisco Alvarez for New York. That's numbered to 50, color match as well. Colson Montgomery, Chicago, cracked ice. That's the White Sox. Caden Wallace. Okay, 1 second, Dustin. You got Dodgers, Marlins, Twins, A's, and Giants. Silver, Christian Vaquero for Washington. There's a red wave for Detroit, Alan Trammell. Mojo to 25, Washington, Christian Vaquero for Washington. Washington National spot. Congratulations. There's a second to none. Chief Myers. Elijah Green to 99. Purple auto for the Natties. Nationals. T-Rod, congratulations. Purple. All right, guys, closing out that half, by the way. Hey, no problem, no problem. Looks like we got another Mojo, I believe, coming up. It's at the bottom, though. Mason Wynn. Jose Ramos, Dodgers. There we go. Dustin, another one for you. Ken Griffey. Come on, man. Let's see one of those super short prints. There's a red Jim Bunning from Detroit. That's numbered to 50. Or, excuse me, 199. That's numbered to 199. Caden Wallace from Kansas City. Miguel Blaze. Auto, Michael Bush to 99. Dodgers killing it right now, too. Purple. Dodgers. Dustin. Ichiro. Blue There's a Carson Weisenhunt, another one for SF. That's number to 149. Cracked Ice, Ozzie Smith. Jordan Lawler, Barry Larkin. Silver, Jack Morris for Detroit. And a red wave, another one, Weisenhunt for the Giants. Okay, yeah, it was a Pulsar, not a Mojo. My fault. There's another purple, though. There's a Pat Gillick for Toronto. Pulsar and a Fireworks closing out that box. All right, you guys. Come on, man. Let's turn up the heat here. Come on, baby. We're going right side. By the way, if you guys are interested, I'm dropping a link to that Bowman Baseball. Still got a good amount of teams left, you guys. Let's fill this break up. Bowman Baseball. There's a link for those remaining teams. Teams are super cheap in that break compared to their listing price, you guys. Teams several $100s off a lot of those big teams. Go fill that break up, you guys. Last team mojo, indeed. Last spot mojo. Last couple spots. Congrats, man. Killing it right now. Keep it going, baby. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. Once again, appreciate you guys all grabbing spots in this break. Good luck, everyone. Green Scope, Willie Stargell for the Berg. That's number to 75. There's a Pulsar Larry Walker for Colorado. Pulled that Larry Walker 1/1 gold vinyl a couple weeks ago from Prizm, actually. There's a Grant McRae for SF. Bobby Witt, Prismatic, Hunter Brown. Orange Wave. There's a silver Edgar Martinez for Seattle. Harry Ford for Seattle as well. That's numbered to 50. There's a Detroit. Purple Brady House for the Natties. Another one for the Nationals. There's a Orelvis Martinez for Toronto. Silver Joe Weimer for Milwaukee. There's a red How You Lee color match for the Phillies. Joe Tinker. Red Bobby Witt. Got that rookie card logo as well. Congrats to the Royals. That's the 199. Closing out that half, you guys. David Ortiz. Quinn Priester. Silver, second to none. Ricky. Purple. Early win for Cleveland. Congratulations. That is going to... Give me 1 second, you guys. I got to go ask Greg something real quick. I'm going too fast, man. You can't even see the back of it. Early win for Cleveland. All right, guys, here we go. Keep it moving. There's a Joe Torre for Atlanta, cracked ice. There's a Brooks Lee, Minnesota. Who's got the Twins, Minnesota? Dustin, another one for you. Sheesh, my guy's killing it right now. Let's get it. I want to see some more color, though, man. Come on. Let's get a gold vinyl. One of those case hits. Or super short prints, I should say. There's a Jared Schuster for Atlanta. ATL. Roy, congrats. Appreciate you grabbing spots in this break, Roy. My guy. Larry Walker. Mason Orr. There we go. Another one for Detroit. Ty Madden. Hayes Ben, congratulations. Silver, J.R. Ritchie, and a blue Jason Dominguez for the Yankees. That's numbered to 149. Kirby Puckett for Minnesota, and one for Chicago. All right, guys, that was halfway through the break. Good luck, good luck. Going right again. Come on, man. Manga or Color Blast? I want to see either or. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, baby, let's go. Not gonna tell you guys what it is, but we got something I just asked for, so let's go. Let's go, baby. If you guys heard me earlier, I said I hadn't got one yet, so that's what we got. See if you guys were listening. Hey, Dustin, my guy, on right on cue. You got it. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. CB. That would be crazy. By the way, if you guys are not already, go subscribe to Mojo Break Baseball, Mojo Break Media on... Yeah, go subscribe to our secondary channels. Hey, Dennis. Or, excuse me. Smitty, if you have not already, go subscribe to Mojo Break Media, Mojo Break Baseball. Go subscribe, my guy. You're a mod on both. You better be subbed. Hey, good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, y'all. Alkaline. Auto. Spencer Jones in 99. Ooh-wee. Spencer. New York. Yankees. Hey, this is the guy you're chasing. If you get the Yankees and Bowman, here's his live auto. His cards still go for a ton in Bowman, too, you guys. Go grab your spots in that Bowman break. Just dropped a link. Yankees, who's got them? A.K. Payne, congratulations. There's a Masataka Yoshida, Brooks Lee. Green Scope, Tony Olivia from Minnesota. There's a cracked ice, Orelvis Martinez. Silver, Joe Carter for Toronto. And a red wave, Paul Wainer for Pittsburgh. There's a Randy Johnson. There's a red for Atlanta, A.J. Smith. There's a Pulsar, Orelvis again, Toronto. All right, speaking of Toronto and Orelvis, there we go. Got an auto this time. Congratulations, Toronto. Blue Jays, Hayes Ben, congrats. Another one for you. Hey, appreciate it, Smitty. Thanks for the sub, man. There we go. Silver, Justin Moreau, and a purple Tampa Bay, Kyle Manzardo. 2/99. There's an Emmanuel Rodriguez and a Babe Ruth. All right, guys, closing out that half. Good luck. There's a blue Dalton Rushing for the Los Angeles Dodgers color match, Atlanta. Mariano Rivera. Prismatic. Color Blast, Willie. Oh, this is for the Giants. New York. Wow. Willie Mays, Color Blast. This card is stunning. My goodness, you guys. Woo-wee. I'm just gonna double check this really quick. Giants. Let's go, Giants. Congratulations. Dustin, Color Blast, Willie Mays, the Say Hey Kid. Say hey. Let's go. There's an Ellie Prismatics. Yeah, Buster Posey, another one for the Giants. Barry Larkin. There's a red Raleigh Fingers for Oakland. That's number to 199. Cracked Ice, Daniel Susac for Oakland. Silver, Drew Romo for Colorado. And a Cal Ripken red wave for Baltimore. Bobby Witt. There's an orange wave for Colorado, Warming Bernabel. That's the 50. Jace Jung, Detroit Pulsar, non-numbered. Max Wagner. All right, we did get some points here. There's another Willie Mays, second to none. There's a Hal Newhouser and some points. Last card of the break, or last card of the box. Willie Mays Hayes. That card is sick, man. Let me get some top loaders really quickly. I actually need some new top loaders. And I'm going to go ahead and randomize those points between everybody. See who's going to get those points. One second here. All right, guys. Heading to random.org to randomize between all 30 teams for these points. Here we go. Three times. We randomized 3 times earlier. Going to do the same now. Here we go. Going to 6, though. 1, 2, 3. All right. Orioles. There we go. Damon. 3 times. Congrats, Damon. Orioles. Damon, you ever gotten some you ever gotten points though? You're the type of you might like some of the stuff they have actually. You might like that cuz you can pick from a bunch of different things, but yeah, we'll see. Good luck. Here we go. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I've ever pulled you points. I don't even know how you feel about it. What do you think? What are you thinking? If those are the first time you getting points, I'm sure you've gotten them before, though. So, might have even copped some before. I know people that just sell them or stockpile them, too. Oh, man, I thought that was a GOLD for a second. I feel it, man. I feel it. I got you. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. Carson Williams, Al Lopez. All right. Bill Lee for Boston. Boston Red Sox. I'm going to zoom it out a little bit, I think. There we go. Boston Red Sox. Smitty. There you go. Jake Madden. There's a silver Hans Lobert for Cincy. Another Willie Mays Red Wave. Come on, let's get a manga. There's a blue Mariano Rivera color match for the Yankees, the 149. There's a Pulsar Edgar Martinez for Seattle. Prismatic Big Poppy for Boston. Manga Masataka Yoshida for Boston. Woo! Smitty. Dude, this is the first time I'm pulling his, too. This one is slick. Oof. Look back at it. That's hecka funny. Congrats, Boston. Yeah, hey, 400 ain't bad, for real. 400 ain't bad. Vlad Guerrero. All right, we turned up the heat this last couple boxes. That's what I like to see, man. Andy Rodriguez for the Berg to 199. There's a cracked ice, Emerson Hancock. There's a blue Mark Grace for Chi-Town. There's a Pulsar, Christian Vaquero, and a Roger Clemens. Hey, by the way, Damon, did you win anything in that big draw? Yeah, that's a sick one. That is a sick one. Hey, that Smitty, that is. These are, I don't know. Depends on what you think of, like regards to super short print, but they're definitely, you don't get them very often. They're short printed or super short printed. Yeah. Congrats again, dude. That's a sick card. By the way, that's the first time they've had manga in Prizm baseball. So not only, and that's a rookie. That's a sick one to get, dude, actually. There's a silver Evan Carter and a purple Frank the Tank, the Big Hurt, to 99. Andy Pages. I don't get enough Frank Thomas cards to say that, man. I had to. Ryan Zimmerman for Washington to 199. There's a cracked ice, the Big Hurt. One of the greatest to ever do it. No doubts. One of the greatest athletics ever, actually, as well. Dang, that's crazy. Yeah. Auto, Quinn Priester for the Berg. That's crazy, Smitty. Green Scope. Edward Julian from Minnesota. There's a George Brett Pulsar. Prismatic Francisco Alvarez. There's a silver Jackson Merrill for San Diego. There's a Red Wave Drew Jones for Zona. Looks like we did get more points. Ichiro Prismatic. Ooh, 900 points. Okay. 900 points it is. All right, you guys, here we go. Heading to random.org again to randomize. Good luck, y'all. All right, we're going to go 3 times in the random again. We are going to 9 here. 1, 2, 3. Cleveland. 9 times. That was 3. Congratulations. 2. Who's got the Guardians? T-Rod, congratulations. There we go. Oh, yeah, Guardians. All right, you guys, closing out that box. Good luck. Last box mojo. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. End it with the banger. You know what? I actually think those manga cards are so sick. I even order one myself. I got that Ricky Henderson one coming. I got to see how much those Willie Mays Color Blaster Runner, man. Those are sheesh. Those are clean. Hey, man, I don't even care if it's non-affiliate. Whatever, man. That's the say hey kid. Know what I'm saying? Who cares? Suck a lemon. Last box mojo. Here we go, you guys. Good luck. I think it really just depends on the cards too, but yeah, I think, you know what though, I think when you redeem points it's different because isn't it usually where they have it in stock already when you order? Like you're using the points to order something they have on the site. You'd think they have it ready, but I actually haven't redeemed points ever. I would not know, but that's what you'd think. Last box mojo. Here we go, you guys. Good luck. There's a red Fred Lynn for Boston. There's a cracked ice Addison Barger. Silver Sam Zavala for San Diego. There's a red color match Zach Neto. Red Wave. That's non-numbered. Pot of gold Randy. Blue Oscar Colas for the White Sox. That's blue. That's number to 149. There's a Willie McCovey for the Giants and a Vlad Guerrero. Facts, though. Yeah. There's a silver Jace Jung for Detroit. Bobby Miller, green scope for the Dodgers to 75. There's a Taj Bradley. Jackson Holiday prismatic. Brooks Lee to 99. That should be a purple. Brooks Lee, Minnesota. Soja. Dustin, another one for you. Congrats. Auto, George Valera for Cleveland. Guardians, congrats, T-Rod. All right, guys, closing out that half. Ellie De La Cruz. Craig Biggio, prismatic George Brett, and a prismatic Ellie De La Cruz. Red Grant McCray for the Giants. That's number to 199. There's a cracked ice James Wood for Washington. Silver Peyton Palettes and a red wave Alan Trammell for Detroit. There's a blue Vince Coleman for St. Louis. Those are the 149, I believe. Yep, 149. Roderick Arias for New York. Tim Wakefield. There's a Ty Madden for Detroit. Hey, that's crazy. Wait. Sorry, I missed your comment about the... Oh, yeah. Yeah, the color blasts are definitely more rare than the mangas, that's for sure. In my experience opening, at least. I've only had one color blast. That's the first one. Ark Vaughn. All right, Colton Cowser, purple for the Baltimore Orioles. There's a Owen Murphy and a Nolan Ryan. All right, guys, closing that out. That's sick, dude. Allen and Ginter, I didn't even know went that far back. All right, you guys, that was the break. 2023 Prizm Baseball Hobby 6-box break, random team style. That was random team number 10. Once again, thank you guys all for tuning in. Congrats to all the hitters. Michael Jordan. All right, guys, let me get you an updated number here. Leaf might be sold out. Diamondbacks got picked up. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, there is 10 left in Bowman. 10 left. There's only 3 left in Leaf.